good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is cosmic energy, an ancient science guiding quantum biology. Ladies and gentlemen, beyond the visible sky, deeper than the deepest atom, there exists a pulse, a rhythm, timeless and infinite. Ancient wisdom called it cosmic energy, the unseen current that breathes life into galaxies and cells alike. Long before microscope or equations, sages understood that all life is bathed in this energy. Today, modern science begins to uncover its patterns through quantum lenses. Across cultures and centuries, a single truth resounds. Everything is energy, and all energy is connected. Cosmic energy is not myth. It is the silent architect behind matter, movement, memory, and mind. Ancient Indian cosmology held that the entire universe is an interplay of consciousness and vibration, where energy is the root of all forms. From the Om that begins the Vedas to the meditative sciences of pranayam, mudra and dhyana, traditions pointed inward to harness what flows outwardly from the cosmos. Modern physics now touches this invisible realm. Quantum phenomena reveal that particles blink in and out of existence, entangled across time and space. Life too responds to this subtle web. In every living cell, reactions happen not merely chemically but energetically. DNA, the thread of life, vibrates. Proteins fold with quantum precision. Light within cells communicates instantaneously, revealing that biology is not only biochemical but deeply energetic. The human system is not just a machine, it is an intelligent energy field, constantly shaped by thought, breath, emotion and awareness. Emotional states influence heart rhythms, focused attention alters brainwaves, silent meditation stabilizes physiological chaos. These are not spiritual metaphors, but measurable transformations of inner energy. Ancient traditions had no electron microscopes, yet they knew. They taught that the body is a microcosm of the macrocosm, our universe. Practices were devised not for belief but for experience, aligning breath with the cosmos, sound with inner stillness in tension with universal flow. Such techniques were not superstition but science, an inner quantum biology since centuries ahead of its time. What's the way forward? A new synthesis is rising where ancient insights illuminate modern exploration. The future of science may no longer lie only in laboratories, but also in inner laboratories of consciousness. Let quantum biology study how thought influences energy fields. Let physiology acknowledge how harmony and coherence enhance health. Let exploration embrace meditation, sound, and breath not as rituals but as tools to assess universal energy. For individuals, the path is clear. Rediscover the self as an energy being. Engage with stillness, observe thoughts, breathe consciously, feel the pulse of the universe within the heartbeat. Each movement becomes a portal, each breath a communion with the cosmos. One need not wait for scientific validation to begin experiencing what seers once lived. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the cosmos is not distant. It lives and flows through every being. To feel connected, healthy, joyful, and purposeful is not a luxury. It is the natural state when aligned with this cosmic rhythm. Ancient wisdom and modern science now meet at this powerful threshold, calling humanity to rise, remember, and realign. As the Bhagavad Gita reveals in radiant clarity, one who sees the divine in all beings and all beings in the divine never loses that vision nor is ever lost to it. This is not philosophy. It is the science of unity. The more one understands energy, the more one sees truth, not in separation, but in sacred interconnectedness. The stars above and the soul within, they are of the same light. To awaken to this is to truly live. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.